Hi, I'm David with Picture Perfect Pool Services. Here we have the area where a new pool will soon be built. As you can see, it's not quite ready yet. We've got a cement patio slab and a wall that are in the way, but once we demo these, this space will be primed and prepped for the transformation from useless backyard into a beautiful pool and a brand new start. Stay tuned. The next major step was demolishing a wall and an old cement patio slab that was in the way. This is where we start to make room for the pool. It's always a bittersweet moment for the homeowners, saying goodbye to parts of the yard that are being replaced. But it's the necessary groundwork for what comes next. We used heavy-duty demolition equipment to clear out the space, and our crew worked meticulously to ensure no unnecessary damage was done to the surrounding landscape. Before breaking ground on any pool project, precise layout and planning are essential. We start by carefully mapping out the pool's shape using strings and leveling devices to ensure every angle is perfectly aligned and the entire structure will be level. This process helps us visualize the final shape and dimensions of the pool. Once the layout is set, we construct a framework of wood and steel beams that will form the exact shape of the pool, providing the guide for the dig. After ensuring everything is measured correctly, we begin excavating the pool area. Watching the pool take shape as the earth is removed is always exciting. The excavation process is a turning point where the vision starts to become a reality. Precision is key here. Getting the depth and shape just right ensures the structural integrity of the pool. The steel framework acts as the skeleton of the pool, providing the reinforcement that holds everything together. Our team carefully tied the steel rebar into place, ensuring every corner was secure and up to code. Along with the steel, we installed the piping, drains, and skimmers, which will allow the pool to circulate water efficiently. Every piece is laid out with purpose, making sure the pool's plumbing and filtration systems will work perfectly when it's completed. After the steel and plumbing were set, we moved on to spraying the pool with gunite. This is where the pool begins to look like a pool. One of the standout features of this pool was the incredible stonework. We added a beautiful beach entrance, which provides a gradual slope into the water. Additionally, we worked on the stone wall that features elegant waterfalls. These add a touch of luxury and serenity to the pool area. The stonework was meticulously done by our expert masons, who made sure every stone was perfectly placed for both function and aesthetic appeal. It was time to add the finishing touch to the pool interior, PebbleTec plastering. This special pebble finish not only looks amazing, but it also provides a durable, non-slip surface for the pool. The smooth feel of PebbleTec combined with its resistance to staining and fading makes it a top choice for high-end pools like this one. Wow, just look at it sparkling in the sunlight. Nice. With these final touches, the PebbleTec is finished. To complete the project, we installed a new cement patio and walkway surrounding the pool. This patio is not just functional, but adds to the overall beauty and usability of the space. It provides a perfect area for lounging, setting up furniture, or hosting a poolside barbecue. The walkway hugs the pool, offering a seamless transition from yard to pool area, and ties the entire space together. So, looking at the finished product, it's incredible to see how far we've come. From the initial meeting to laying out the pool, from the dig to the steel framework, and from the plumbing to the stunning stonework, every step of the process was carefully planned and executed. Our team at Picture Perfect Pool Services takes pride in every project. And this pool is a testament to our commitment to quality and craftsmanship. It's not just a pool, it's a backyard oasis that will bring joy and relaxation for years to come. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and follow, like, and subscribe.